Hey, welcome to my channel, Tech. Today I am going to explain something that you guys are looking for a long time. You have got a lot of videos over YouTube of how to face swap of a video, but unfortunately many of them are paid or many of them are fake. But today I am going to tell about a totally new app which is available on Play Store and by which you can easily swap any face from a video. So without any hurry, let's start our today's video. So guys, first you have to go to Play Store and search Face Fun. I have also given the link of this app in description, so you can also find that from there. So go to Play Store and search Face Fun and download it. After download, just open the app and add a username and email address to create an account. Then you can find a lot of video temples in which you can easily swap that face and put your image on that. You can also upload your own video templates on that and use this templates for editing. You can get a clear new swapping face of your image in this templates. This is totally free. You can also access to the premium version for enjoy premium advantages. So okay guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed that app, then give me feedback in my comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.